Now we are starting with the denudation process. These are basically denudation of oocytes. The embryologist is getting prepared with the consumables and the media that is required for the denudation process. Flushing media is being placed into the periphery of the center well, and small droplets is getting prepared, which is 50 to 100 microliter of its size, so that the simultaneous washing of the oocytes from the denupates, which is 175 and 140, takes place, and ultimately we get clean oocytes. Denudation process is carried to separate the cumulus cells from the oocyte, which is initially called OCC, that is oocyte cumulus complex. Denupates are getting fixed into the flexipet. 175 denupate is the first step, which is getting fixed into the flexipet. This is Hayes media, which is basically used for denudation, where initially the oocytes or OCC, that is oocyte cumulus complex, will be placed into this media and will be exposed to this media for 60 seconds. Note, the oocyte that is exposed in Hayes media has to be recovered fast from Hayes media to flushing media within 60 seconds. .8 ml of Hayes media is placed into the center well. Now the embryologist will be taking out the OCC, which has been incubated earlier after oocyte screening for 2 hours. Note, the handling of the dish has to be taken care of so that it is handled well, and place at the hood with a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. As you can see on the display, how does the OCCs are seen, and now we'll be carrying on. This is a cumulus complex, as you can see, which is surrounded throughout the oocyte, and a small dot-like structure is seen in between the OCC, which we will extract after denudation. The embryologist is picking the OCC, placing into the Hayes media, with the help of microtip. The media and the OCC both are in contact with each other, and slowly cumulus cells are getting removed by continuous pipetting gently. .60 seconds is the time where the OCC has to be shifted back from Hayes media to the flushing media, where subsequent washing will take place, followed by 175 and then 140 denupets. Shifting from Hayes media to flushing media and the subsequent droplets, which is already prepared, is taking place. As you can see, pipetting from 175 denupet is taking place. Once pipetting from 175 denupets is over, follow-up will be done by 140 denupet. The purpose of subsequent washing is to extract the clean oocytes and get rid of all kind of cumulus cells and debris. This is 145 denupet, which is again used for continuous pipetting into the droplets. As you can see, the denudation process is over and clean oocytes are seen. Second dish with FERT media, oil overlaid, is already prepared, and the embryologist will be shifting the clean oocytes with pre-wash of FERT media and shift back to the center well media, that is FERT media, and again place back to the incubator. The clean oocytes are ready for the ICSI procedure. With the help of denupet, as already discussed, the oocytes are getting exposed to the FERT media, that is pre-wash of the FERT media, so that the removal of flushing media takes place. And finally, shift back to the center well with FERT media, which is oil overlaid. And place into the incubator. This display shows the oocytes. Proper labeling of the patient name and date with the number of oocytes takes place.